ho, 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 ho! Hi, friends. It's your old pal Singing Santa. Today I've got a great book for us to read. It's called Jack and Santa. This is such a funny story. Let's go on a reading adventure together right now. Ho, 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 ho. All right, this is a Jack book. It's called Jack and Santa. Chapter 1, Santa. This is Santa. Ho, 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 ho. He lives in the snow. He makes toys and makes lists. And he gives people gifts. Look, he has 2 lists. One is good and one is bad. Ooh, uh-oh. If you're on the good list, you will get gifts. Gifts such as toys. Toys make very good gifts. If you're on the bad list, you will get coal. Coal is not fun. It's not really a gift. Hey, Santa, can we take a look at your lists? The good list says the lady and Rex. The bad list says Jack. Oh, Jack won't like that. Chapter 2, 12/24. That means December 24th, Christmas Eve. This is Jack. He lives with the lady. He sleeps every night in a bed next to Rex's. What's that in Jack's hand? It looks like a list. It's Jack's wish list. It's a list full of gifts. Let's see what Jack wants. We'll sneak up while he sleeps and peek at his list. Jack's wish list. Toys, snacks, lipstick, cash, more toys, more cash, a new cap, knee socks, a bat for baseball, a bat for a pet, a chess set, all the toys at the store, all the cash in the bank, a bag for my toys, a bag for my cash. Oh boy, that's a long list. But look at Jack sleep. He's so sweet when he sleeps. When Santa comes here tonight, he will see Jack asleep. He will see Jack is nice. He will see Jack is sweet. He will see Jack is good. He'll see Jack is the best. Maybe then he will give Jack some of the things on his list. Do you hear that? It's bells. That's Santa's sled. Do you hear those footsteps? That's him on the roof. Do you hear crash? What was that? Oh no. Santa is caught in a trap. Who would set such a trap? Jack. Chapter 3, Santa Trap. This is not good. In fact, this is bad. Jack, you've been bad. This is the worst. Jack, you don't get to go in that sack. There is a big box for the lady. There is a big box for Rex. There is no box for Jack. Jack. Oh, Jack. Santa, what did Jack do that's so bad? Other than that trap. Okay, besides that. Right, well, there's that. Oh, yeah, that was bad. Yeah, so was that. But Santa, can't you just let Jack be Jack? Jack gets Santa down. Jack gives Santa some snacks. He gives Santa a kiss. Santa takes off his hat. He pulls out a small box. The tag says, "For Jack." And with that, Santa's gone. Unwrap that box, Jack. Oh, coal. That's cold, man. Chapter 4, A Feast. The lady wakes up and opens her gift. So does Rex. But where's Jack? And what smells like fire? Oh no, Jack. Well, look at that. Grilled cheese. Jack used the coal to grill up a feast. Smart guy. A feast for the lady. And a feast for Rex. And all the ladies in town. There's a long line. Jack grills food for them all. That's good, Jack. You're a good Jack. There's one grilled cheese left. And it's the end of the line. Who's that? At the back. It's Santa. He's back. Jack, Santa says, I was wrong. You're not bad. I smelled this great feast from the sky. I saw you share, and I smiled. I am here just in time. I love grilled cheese. And that looks like the last one. Jack, look, he just took a bite. Well, I don't blame you, Jack. Not for that. Not one bit. The end. Oh, I love that. Isn't Jack funny? I've got a really good friend named Conductor Jack, and he's pretty funny too. You should go check out his channel. It's not Christmas stories, but it's a lot of other fun ones. Well, friends, tell you what, my name is Singing Santa. On this channel, every single day of the week, I post a brand new Christmas story or a Christmas song. So hit the subscribe button. That way you can become a really smart kid, and we can celebrate Christmas all year long. I'll see you again tomorrow. Ho, 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 ho. Bye. Ho, 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 ho. Subscribe now. It's free. Ho, 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 ho.